One of the things that we enjoy about the line of equipment of Ruud is that the confidence that you have in putting it in. Um, you know, a lot of people, when they're talking about brands, they know some of the bigger brands out there, and quite frankly, they may not have never heard of Ruud. But as an owner, one of the things that sets me apart is I offer a much longer labor guarantee than most companies do. And you better believe that as an owner, there's no money in doing go-backs. So we have to have a lot of confidence in the brand that we install, and we have that with Ruud. It doesn't matter whether we're putting in just a basic 14 SEER with a single stage furnace, or somebody who wants a high efficiency with a variable speed condenser. The confidence is there that if there's a problem, it'll be resolved. But the best thing is that, quite frankly, we don't have problems. And so I don't necessarily have to look elsewhere for branding when Ruud provides everything that we could possibly want from a brand.
The Ruud equipment is really easy to install. It makes our installer's life a lot easier. It's also, if we ever do have a problem with the Ruud, it's real easy to work on. The failure rate, the warranties is awesome. The failure rate is very far and few between, which is good for us and also our customers, because the customer doesn't want to spend all that kind of money and in a few years have their system break down. So the Ruud line is real reliable. Our technicians really like installing it as well.